Oh, wow.
You have such pretty hair.
Bye, sweetie.
Bye-bye. Mom! Mom, please come back.
You have to pay some advance for treatment.
But I don't have money. Mom, I promise I will save you. What I do now? Please open the door.
Who is at door this time?
I need money for my mom. Okay, sweetie, let's have a deal. Please save my mom.
Don't worry, she'll be okay.
I sold my hair. It's okay, honey. Please like, share,